What's in there, Lucinda?
Your guess is as good as mine.
What do you think?
I'm thinking wadding. Look, wadding.
Let's have a look. What's in there?
Super heavy.
Ooh.
There's some other stuff as well. Okay, there should be some different things in here. There's a parcel inside a parcel. Is there going to be another parcel?
I think there might be.
No, it's okay.
What is that?
Oh, this is the oven safe one. So what's that one?
What is that one?
Pliers.
Ooh, fancy.
Crochet hooks, very popular. Lots of little ones.
Another box.
Box in a box. Moons. We've been waiting for the white, so that's good. And lots more wonder clips.
I love the wonder clips.